àtẹ̀bí mi. I think probably one of the person tó máa dúnú ẹ̀ máa dùn jù níjọ́ tẹ́ ẹ bá náwó mi sókè Oníṣọlá Akínwùmí. Mo kí ẹgbẹ́ wa, mo kí ẹgbẹ́ wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wà ní òdì kejì tí wọ́n jẹ́ kẹ́ rí mi. Àwòrán ń gbé nílé because we are on channels live. In the last 1 hour 20 minutes, we are on channels live. Wọ́n ń wò yín lé. Èmi ni ẹ dìbò fún o. Torí èmi ni mo jọ yín. Èmi lọ̀rọ̀ mi jọ títí. Ẹ rí i pé mi ò tiẹ̀ fẹ́ sòyìnbó ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní channels tá à ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n mọ̀ wò wá lórí amóhùnmáwòrán wọn nílùú òyìnbó. Finally and finally, Mr. Chairman, once again, I appreciate the fact that you have given me this opportunity, including other party executive members, and in general, all the APC members throughout the state of Osun. This is your governor, starting from September 2018. Thank you very much.
You just listened to Honorable Yusuf Lasun speaking there, and he pretty much talked about who he is, things he has done, and then the things he plans to do in Osun State if he becomes the governor.
Yeah, but he began by thanking actually the APC chairman in Osun State and other honorable members of the House who were there present at that event in the APC party secretariat in Ogoluwa area of Oshogbo. Again, let's tell you that you're watching the gubernatorial declaration by Honorable Yusuf Sulaiman Lasun in Osun State. He also challenged other aspirants. He says they should show themselves to the people at the grassroots level. As Kaide said, he listed some of his achievements and promised to achieve more if elected as the governor of Osun State.
The celebrant of today, I greet and welcome the celebrant of today's occasion, Right Honorable Lasun Yusuf, Deputy Speaker, Nigerian House of Representatives. I also recognize members of the State Exco, leaders of the party, local government chairmen, council chairmen here present, leaders of the party, friends and all well-wishers. I can see some of the friends within Osun and outside Osun in company of our great guests of today. I see all of you and I greet you. You're welcome. I also seize this opportunity to greet our friends in Osun, some of which time will not permit me to mention their names. On behalf of the party leadership, State Exco, and the governor of the state, Engineer Rauf Adesoja Aregbesola, the Ogbeni himself, I welcome you to the party secretariat. There's no doubting the fact that Honorable Lasun Yusuf, Deputy Speaker of Representatives, is a very strong member of APC. That I can confirm. There's no doubting the fact that you're a consummate politician. There's no doubting the fact that you're a strategic politician. And I'm not even saying that you're not qualified to be a governor in Osun. I greet you, I salute your sagacity, your courage, and what you have put into the party. I've heard you. You spoke a lot. Because of lack of time, we will continue to talk on so many issues after today. But I just want to let you know that the party was at no any time against anybody's aspiration as a governor. And you have I'm alluding to some of the facts that you're a very strong instrument. Yourself, myself, and few others. You are a very veritable tool in the struggle to get APC into government in the state of Osun. I believe you in some of the things you said that made some of us to be here in government. And I know a lot of people knows about it. Notwithstanding all that I have said, I've had the opportunity to talk to you and to give you some advice. Some in private, and I will let you know that your political experience, exposure, civilization, there's no doubt about that. But please, my brother and friend, play your politics at the level of those people we were leading. Play it at the level of their understanding, such that your politics and your experience will be brought to the level of a politician in Osun and be part of us in whatever we are doing. Other advices that I've given to you in private, please remember and try to follow my advice. Lastly, I let you know that the present government in the state of Osun, we have done a lot, which you have alluded to here today, and will continue to do more to the people of this state. I want to urge you, identify yourself with whatever program and what we have done as a party in government to ease the suffering of our people, the people of Osun. I wish you well in your endeavor. As to your aspiration, I have said yesterday, as a party chairman, we will go through primaries that will involve everybody. And whatever the outcome of the primary is, if it is the wish of God to make you the next governor of the state, so be it. I wish you well. On behalf of all of us here, we welcome you to the party secretariat. On behalf of the governor, leaders of the party, and all ESCO members that are managing the affairs of the party in the past 4 years. Once again, you are welcome. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín tẹ́ wá síbí, tẹ́ bá Honorable Lasun Yusuf, tẹ́ bá wọn wá síbí. Wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n àsìkò nígbà wá láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀. Mo kí yín, Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á tún ẹgbẹ́ wa ṣe. Kò dẹ̀ ní sí èdè àìyedè inú ẹgbẹ́ wa. Mo kí yín pé ẹ kú èròǹgbà àti tún ẹgbẹ́ ṣe àti láti tún Nàìjíríà ṣe. Gbogbo ohun tá ń sọ ní òdodo àti òtítọ́, gbogbo agbára àti gbogbo mímọ̀ ṣe ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ló wà. Tá ń sọ tó bá wù ìfẹ́ Ọlọ́run, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe gómìnà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun, ẹ jẹ́ 27, ṣùgbọ́n ẹnìkan náà ló máa ṣe. Àfi gbogbo yín sábẹ́ ìṣọ́ Ọlọ́run. Eléyìí tó bá máa tù yín lára, tó bá máa tu ẹgbẹ́ wa lára, tó bá máa tu àwọn ènìyàn ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun lára, òní Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí ó ṣe é ṣe fún wa. Nítorí pé ó dá mi lójú, mo sì mọ̀ pé ẹgbẹ́ wa APC ni Ọlọ́run fún ní àṣẹ láti máa ṣe ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ní sáà tá a wà yìí àti fún sáà tí ó ń bọ̀ lọ́jọ́ iwájú. Ní orúkọ gbogbo àwọn àgbààgbà ẹgbẹ́ àti àwọn tó wà níjọba àtàwọn tó wà ní iléeṣẹ́ ẹgbẹ́, a kí yín káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kẹ́ bá lé láyọ̀ o. APC APC ẹ ṣé APC
Of the APC in Osun State, Prince Gboyega Famadu, and what he just did was to acknowledge Honorable Yusuf Lasun's declaration And of course, this is customary. And he also mentioned that there are about 27 aspirants in APC for that state. I mean, that's a very interesting one. And he thanked the people present here today. So pretty much acknowledging this declaration.
Òní ni ọjọ́ keje oṣù kẹfà lágbára Ọlọ́run níwòyí ọjọ́ keje oṣù keje ayọ̀ la máa yọ̀ wípé Honorable Lasu Yusuf ó ní àáfàkalẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí olùdíje bàbá wa kábíyèsí olókùn tilẹ̀ lóbù àwọn àjòyè ilẹ̀ lóbù gbogbo ọmọ lóbù ní tilé toko wọ́n ní ká kí gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ APC fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n sì ní ká bẹ̀yìn lórúkọ Ọlọ́run ọmọ àwọn yìí tó jáde kẹ́ bá wọn kọ́wọ́ tì lẹ́yìn kẹ́ bá wọn fún ní gbogbo tí ẹ bá lè ṣe láti rí wípé òun ni yóò díje lábẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ olóṣùṣù ọ̀wọ̀ a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá láti ọgbọ̀n kánsù àti Mọdákẹ́kẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà lẹ́ẹ̀fi padà sílé o. APC ní pápá kan àdúrà ìparí Alhaji Muftau Adio Alhaji Muftau Adio àdúrà ìparí Alhaji Muftau Adio Alhaji Muftau Adio àdúrà ìparí. Sallu ala nabi karim. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run gbọ́pẹ́ wa o adúpẹ́ gbogbo oore tó ṣe fún wa tó dúró tí alátàárọ̀ dídí àsìkò yìí Right Honorable Lasu Yusuf Ọlọ́run o la wá fi lé ọ lọ́wọ́ ìgbà tí a bá fi lé ọ lọ́wọ́ kì í fọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn tí a bá fi lé ọ lọ́wọ́ kì í fàya Ọlọ́run wọlá títóbi rẹ wọlá agbára tí ìwọ Ọlọ́run ní tó fi ń jẹ Ọlọ́run wọlá nǹkan méjì tí ó pè mẹ́ta nǹkan mẹ́ta tí ó pè mẹ́rin Ọlọ́run o dákun wá bá dúró ti arákùnrin náà o Ọlọ́run bá dúró ti ara wa Right Honorable Lasu Yusuf Ọlọ́run jẹ́ wọn ó di gómìnà Ọlọ́run bá sọ wọ́n di gómìnà Ọlọ́run bá sọ wọ́n di gómìnà láti sin àti àsìkò lọ Ọlọ́run ò bá fàṣẹ sí máa bá wa sọ wọ́n gbogbo ọ̀nà bá dáàbò rẹ bò wọ́n ìwọ Ọlọ́run ọmọ gbàgbára lọ́wọ́ àwọn alágbára tí ń fi agbára nini lára Ọlọ́run ò dákun bá gbàgbára fún Honorable Lasu Yusuf Ọlọ́run jẹ́ orí bẹ́ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bisimilayi náà àtẹ̀yìnà. Ina atena kaliko sawa fasali leo bika wanani na sali yako walapta solo mikari ajaka kaata magato malo APC ti gbogbo wa ni tó máa gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́ torí kò sẹ́gbẹ́ mìíràn tí a lè ṣe ẹgbẹ́ òkèdà bí ẹgbẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́pọ̀ ká fi ìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan pé kémi gbé adélébáyé Ayinakoye Akoya Ibe.
What I was really friendly with the MLA from the fact that I was born here, grew up here, and I've been living my life here. So what I will do is I will make sure I improve I will make sure that I improve on our educational sector. It is important that our people, our children are well educated. Again, I will find a means of creating jobs and make sure the number of entrepreneurs in our system. And I will also make sure that I provide a very welfare, particularly in the health sector. Also, we have to make sure that we improve on it. I will make sure that I use my knowledge and my experience of being a part and parcel of this environment to improve on their life and the security of people. I'm not aware of that, and there is nothing like zoning in our party. And again, some people have started carrying the rumor that we are going to do direct primary. There's nothing like that in Osun. It is in the constitution that we have to do indirect primary, which is going to be done by the delegates of the party. So definitely, I'm not aware of the primary for zoning. People can say anything in politics. And again, I'm not aware of the party that our constitution has changed and that we are going to do direct primary. There's nothing like that. We are going to do a delegate system election for our primary on the 7/7/2018. I cannot be scared. The issue of governorship is not a Tea Party affair. It's an intellectual thing. It's because people have not been seeing governance at that level. That's why everybody thinks he can just come out and declare intention. Governorship and other executive positions are intellectual things. People of intellect. And so I can't get scared. 27, I can't get scared. People just come out, they think it is just sufficient and enough to say I want to be governor. Do you have the capacity? Do you have what it takes to be a governor? What problem have you solved in life? What does your private life look like? How can you impact positively on the general public? So I'm not scared at all.
On a final note, what is your message to the people of Osun?
My message to the people of Osun State is, for the first time in the history of the state, they should look at somebody who is part of them. And I think I'm the leading member of APC who is part of Osun and who can solve their problem. And they should come out to come and vote for me and make sure that I emerge as the governor of Osun in September 2018 election.
Thank you very much.